A call of concern by family of a resident living in a DeKalb County nursing home. 23 News reporter Alyssa Reamer finds out why some are not in favor of the approved sale of that home to a private company.
In December, the county board approved the $8.3 million purchase of its Rehab and Nursing Center to Skokie-based Soba Healthcare. 4 months later, Soba announced it would be sharing ownership with Evanston-based Illuminate Healthcare.
I don't want my mother abused, and she gets good care here.
Soba Healthcare owns and operates 10 nursing facilities in Illinois. According to Medicare and Medicaid services, those facilities have an average rating of 1.3 stars, compared to the current 3-star rating for DeKalb County Rehab and Nursing Center.
We've kind of started doing our due diligence since we found out about this on Friday. I just don't feel as though the county board maybe did their due diligence.
Dawn and Nikki say they're not against the board selling the facility. They just wish it was to someone else.
Is that really who we want buying this facility when the ones that they already own are in such bad shape?
The sale of the DeKalb County Rehab and Nursing Center was made in December, but since it's a public entity selling to a private group, the state has to issue a certificate of need before the sale is finalized.
We're hoping that if he sees all the infractions, the jeopardy that these other residents have been in, that he won't want this for our facility.
Reviews against Soba Healthcare include abuse allegations, people left to sit in their feces, dirty rooms, and more.
If we can get this paper, and we're just the public, you know they have access to it.
If the facility does not earn enough money to pay its bills, then the county has to step in and pay what's needed.
DeKalb County Chair Suzanne Willis says they have to sell the center because it's running out of money. In 2021, the county board had to cover $8.5 million.
I had asked, can we make any changes to this? Can we ask them to promise to keep the union? We have gotten in writing from them that they do intend to keep the union.
The DeKalb County Board will hold a public hearing regarding its decision to sell the facility at 1 p.m. July 11th at the DeKalb Police Department.
Thank you, Alyssa. And 23 News did reach out to Soba Healthcare for a comment, but they did not get back to us by the time of this newscast.